The Ferrari Purosangue is already one of the most controversial models ever to leave Maranello, but in the hands of German tuner Keyvany, it has become something else entirely. Known as the Purosangue, this aftermarket creation has divided the car world. While the earlier one-of-one G edition was dismissed by many enthusiasts as kitschy and overstyled, this new version takes a surprisingly different turn. Thanks to a clever choice in color and some aggressive modifications, the latest Keyvany Porroo no longer looks laughable. Instead, it strikes the eye as a predator lurking on the streets. The secret? Black. By swapping out loud paint for a deep, sinister black, Keyvany has managed to hide many of the controversial design lines that previously drew criticism. The result is a muscular, exotic silhouette that finally does justice to the Purosangue's already bold proportions. Suddenly, this wild build looks like something even Ferrari purists might hesitate to dismiss. The wide-body kit itself is anything but subtle. Up front, the Purosangue features widened fender flares, an aggressively reshaped front bumper with integrated blades, and a new hood. Down the sides, custom skirts flow seamlessly into the rear arches, while at the back, a carbon fiber diffuser and AMG-inspired tailpipes command attention. Adding to the drama are not one, but two spoilers, a three-piece ducktail on the tailgate and a roof-mounted wing. Every piece is sculpted from carbon fiber, reinforcing the impression that this is no ordinary luxury crossover. The wheels are equally bold. Keyvany has fitted Y-spoke alloys that pair with the enlarged stance of the SUV. Still, the tuner couldn't resist stamping its identity everywhere. The turquoise Keyvany logos on the nose, fenders, and rear stand out awkwardly, especially against Ferrari's iconic prancing horse heritage. Step inside and the controversy returns. The cabin is drenched in turquoise leather, from the steering wheel and dashboard to the door cards, center console, and seats. Black piping and accents try to balance the vibrant look, but the effect is polarizing. Add in carbon fiber trim, backlit Keyvany logos on the door cards, and even a starlight headliner, and the result feels like luxury bordering on kitsch. Performance, however, is where the Purosangue demands respect. Keyvany has boosted the naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 from 715 horsepower to a jaw-dropping 880 metric horsepower, with torque jumping from 528 pound-feet to 693 pound-feet. That's enough to propel this family-friendly Ferrari from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 3.3 seconds, making it quicker than the legendary Ferrari Enzo. Top speed? An incredible 217 miles per hour, putting it head-to-head with rivals like the Lamborghini Urus and Aston Martin DBX 707. Whether this Purosangue is a customer commission, a marketing showcase, or a shot at stealing the spotlight from rivals like Mansory, one thing is clear. It proves that even controversial designs can be transformed with the right execution. The black exterior and predator stance give it presence, while the turquoise interior remains a love-it-or-hate-it affair. For some, this build is an insult to Ferrari's design purity. For others, it's a bold and powerful statement on wheels. Either way, the Keyvany Porroo ensures that nobody will mistake your Purosangue for anything else on the road. And maybe, just maybe, that was the tuner's goal all along.